We got an original elevator. Santa Rosa Plaza, Santa Rosa, California. Sweet. Flushline. Hell yeah. Motor. We are low on oil. We're struggling already. We just left the first floor. Oh, get ready, yo. Get ready.
I can feel the relationship. That is bad.
Oh shit! We got a flashlight.
I love those old Montgomery capacity plates.
Yeah.
Is that cast iron?
Looks like it. Damn. Alright. Go ahead and send it up to 2.
We gotta be very quiet because you can barely hear this motor.
I could barely hear it.
Yeah, back down?
Yeah. Oh, good lord, that is bad. Just a basic freight elevator now. Hey, I don't know about you, but...
Hey Justin, welcome home. Wish you were here.
I want to go again.
Let's do it.
Let's do impact, yeah.
Let's do it. The cake is not a lie in this case.
Alright, be quiet.
1, 2, 3.
You want to get out of here?
I only have one thing to say about it. Cheesecake. Go down to 1.
Oh my god, that is bad. Guess what kind of mall this is too? A Simon Mall. I wonder what it sounds like outside, like down the hall.
We've probably alerted everybody within a 2-mile radius.
I wonder when that's going to be reported. That was awesome.